you know, you say quiche and then there's that whole thing that men don't eat quiche and all that. So you have to call it something else. So there are so many different quiche type recipes. You can call it a tart, whatever. We're going to do one that doesn't have a crust. It's kind of a simple thing. You don't need a lot of ingredients, and you don't have to worry about doing the pie dough. We're going to use biscuits. The recipe calls for a can of the kind of flaky biscuits, which we have right here. We've got our, I love this, our diced ham. We have this. It's all, somebody said it looks like that, you know, stuff, rubber stuff that you used to, and I'm like, that's too gross. I'm not even going to go there. And the broccoli and cheese sauce and our eggs. We've got onion. We've got some dry mustard. It says to cut the biscuits in 8 pieces, and that just gives it a nice little layer for the, I did this earlier, and the thing practically flew out of my hand when it pops. Okay, so this is just hearty layer biscuits. We're going to cut these into 8 pieces. So 2, 4, 8. And I did spray the pan. We're just going to use a 9x13 baking dish. And it said 8 biscuits. This was 10. So we'll just have to deal with 10. Sometimes when I do these recipes, they've changed. By the time I see it and I change it, they've already changed the size of the biscuit can. So, then it'll be all right. Let's get those on the pan. We're going to do our eggs. And it calls for 10 eggs, and they do fit in here. Okay. And we've got our 10 eggs. Whoop. We need some milk. I think this calls for a 1.5 cups. And our whisk. It is. You can use skim if you prefer. Okay, so we've got our eggs and milk beaten up and our mustard. Oops, I forgot to do that. Beat that in so it does, you don't get a little taste of that. Okay. And then we're going to just throw everything else in. Here's our cheese. Yes. Our cheese, our... It's in the, no, it's back by the meat department, by where they have the packaged sliced meat. It's right there. And it's already diced up. I thought this was so cool. It already comes in like little bitty pieces. So you don't have to stand there and, you know, although this recipe would be good if you had ham the day before or the night before, 2 days before, and it would be a good leftover ham recipe. All right, and our onion and our broccoli with cheese sauce. Now, I know it says in there mushrooms. I don't know why. I'm the one who types them up, and I don't know why I type that in there, because there are no mushrooms in here. Okay. Now you can microwave this if you bring it home and it's frozen. I happen to have had this sitting out to thaw out. I thought it'd just be easier for class purposes not to do that. Okay. All right, stir that up. And this you can do the night before if you like. You see how easy it is even to do the day before, or not the day before, but at the time. Okay, and we're just going to pour it in here. And I like to just kind of spread it out so it's all even. We're going to just pop that in the oven. And it comes out looking just like this. Okay, so this is our ham and cheese breakfast bake. Very simple. It cooks for about 40 minutes, or you just want to cook it till it's, when you still see it jiggling, you cook it a little bit more, just so that you have the onions set. I mean the eggs set.